Hi guys, welcome back to my Eloelopee channel, and today I'm going to help you accomplish a head spring. Your head spring should look like this. So what you want to be able to do first is a headstand. So you want to make sure you make a triangle with your head. Your head is at the top and your hands are at the bottom, just like this. You go like this and you use your feet to push you over your head. So you should really be like this. Yeah? So once you're in this position, you want to push off your hands so you get into a back bend. A back bend should look like this. So you want to make the triangle position, bend your legs to push on your head, bend, and go to back bend. You should do them 10 times, 3 sets, yeah? Practice doing that, and once you get the hang of pushing and using your core and squeezing, you want to just get up. There are 2 ways to doing it. There's going through your stomach, or there's landing in a squat. Okay, so that's landing in a squat, but I step forward, but that's alright. And there's going through your back. So without stepping, that's what it should look like. So for myself and you, to recap, it's your triangle, the bend of the legs to push in a back bend, and then the getting up in both ways. So now your head spring should be looking like this. Or like this. So your triangle, the bend of your knees, back bend, then get up. Okay? It sounds simple, but you really need to practice so it's easy. Yeah? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Comment below if you got it or if you didn't. If you didn't, that's okay. If you got it, great job. Bye. Peace out. I just want you to remember, it doesn't happen. Oh, I caught you.